Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and I'm excited to finally share this beautiful review of this beautiful bag right here. So this is the Birkin 30 in Barbie pink with the gold hardware. Now this one, if you would say it copying from the dupe as a dupe of the Birkin 30, it's in probably the Togo leather because of the graining right there. And honestly, guys, I would say this is one of my favorite bags when it comes to the wear and tear of the bag, because I was shocked because I didn't expect the wear of this bag for how many years it has been already in my closet to be this nice. This wore pretty great after it being most of the time stored when it's during off seasons, and because of such a very girly bag, and I'm not a person who tends to wear something like girly outfit and then girly bag already. I usually have like a red bag on me, but this one I've been starting to lean towards wearing it more, and I can honestly say I love this. Now, that's why I also wanted to share this to you guys, because one of my subby actually asked about this in a comment, and thank you for that because it kind of inspired me to come back and show you guys all the bag reviews that I'll be showing to all my bags that I have slowly, and little by little, to show you guys some informations about the bags. Now, this one is a really big bag, and this one is a dupe of the Birkin 30, but it has ring holes for the strap here at the back. But that's the least thing that I actually prefer on this bag, because I don't like the strap to be at the back, because it's kind of harder, because if it's at the back I can't really have it open like a tote bag because it hangs like that. So the strap is like this one, so it's an adjustable strap, so I'm happy with that as well. That's actually one of the things why I prefer the not actual Birkin 30 versus the dupe one, because the the dupe has straps, okay, and that's one of the concerns we usually have with the Birkin bag. If they don't have long straps, that's why a lot of people lean towards Kelly's. But it's so easy to carry a Birkin bag, or yeah, the actual Birkin bag, because it's a tote. You can like put everything in it and you can easily access instead of a Kelly. So that's like the kind of in between of this one. That's why I actually also like it. And since I've been wearing a lot of neutrals, this came in handy with me wearing it all the time. So that's one thing I can also share with you guys about this. It's easier for you to carry because you can also use it with a strap on it, and it's lighter. Now, come on, we all know real leather bags are heavy, and they are of course heavy duty, but of course they're heavy on its own without anything inside. But with PU leather bags, they're lighter. And there's one tip also that I would like to share. That's why I kind of was thankful not to go with the leather bags already at the first time I was collecting, because I kind of figure out my style, or the colors that I prefer also, and the combinations I prefer it to be. And I'll be sharing a few of those on my journey of sharing to you guys the bags and why they look good with this color instead of this combination. So with this one, like I said, I've been wearing a lot of neutral safety, and I started actually wearing this more. I think that was last year, because I love this during fall season. Even I think last year also, because this one in fall season is great with browns. I don't know why, but I like it with browns. I like it with grays. This one is so amazingly gray. Apart from red, pink is so nice with gray, and pink is also nice with silver hardware. This one, it wasn't that awkward for me to pair it with gray, and because of like the silver, because it doesn't have a silver hardware, because I do wear a lot of gold accessories, so this one kind of match and blends it with that, even if I'm wearing all gray. So I can honestly say this one is easy to pair with. Now, I kind of wore this recently also, like I said, I've been wearing it a lot, so there are a lot of receipts here, see, and things that I recently bought, and also like coins, as you can see. So there's some things in here as well. But like I said, this one is a great wear. And I could honestly tell you guys, because the past videos that I created with this bag included, is I don't have the shop anymore where I got this. It was from Bag Cravings, but they don't have it anymore. So I will link down below where you can get this exact bag. Of course, it's still PU leather and still the same color combination. But like I said, if you want to try it out, if you want to try a pink bag and you don't want to invest yet on the leather bag, try getting it. It's great. It's on sale right now. That's why I'm creating this with what I look like right now, because like I said, as you can see, I'm not wearing any makeup. My lighting is not as perfect. My hair is in like curls because tomorrow I'm going somewhere and I have to really have my curls in. So I already took a bath this morning and I need to curl up my hair and with the no heat curls. So that's why I look like this. But we get through it. Some vloggers actually do it without makeup, with with their hair all messy. So why not we try it also on sit down videos? So this one, let's get back to the bags. That's all I can say with this one. Neutrals are perfect with it, but if you want to dare wear this with colored outfits, this looks great with a green suit, a power suit. This one, it like kind of tones it down, make it more like sweet and simple. And honestly, I have tried this with so many of my dresses. Even with blue, this looks, so pretty with the baby blue. Or even denim, I like this with denim. It doesn't color transfer because I've worn it already, and as you can see, and the material is like, yeah, soft. Like, as you can see, it's really soft. And like I said, this one barely has any wear. I guess this one there's like a chip here because I think I chipped this one, so this wasn't really entire fault of the war. But as you can see, like every detail of it doesn't have any tear. It doesn't have any war damages. Despite me wearing this constantly, this has been perfect despite the years it has been on like a shelf or being taken out. Compared to my other bags that are like this, also the same design, only that one has a different strap. This one is here at the back, and those other bags that I have are at the front. I mean, at the side. So that's some comparison. So I might compare one of my bags with this one and how it wore versus this style. That's why I can honestly say that you should really try it because it wore out great. The gold is not a problem. It actually looks great with this kind of like goldy gold color. It's really as what the color is transferring right now on the video, because it really looks nice like this. So I can honestly say that is worth it. And of course, you could honestly say also that the wear of this pink color is great because it doesn't have a much dirt, and the pink of it is actually kind of muted compared to what people would say that's kind of bright pink. It really is like a Barbie pink, and this one just adds a bit more flair to it. You don't have to wear that. You could just have this one without the what's this, without the twilly. But like I said, I still like to take care even my PU leather bags because they tend to wear a lot. I can honestly give you a sample of one bag I have that is in PU leather that wore so much, but given the fact this is white and this is it, this is one of my favorite bags. I've attached a green strap here that's in flower. It's so cute and looks so nice with this green strap. So as you can see, this one has worn badly. But this, like I think I've mentioned in a lot of my videos, I love wearing white bags as something that's so easy, especially recently since I kind of given up on my red Chanel bag. I had to give it up. And so I been wearing this a lot. Like, as you can see, the wear of it, as you can see, the form of this is like that. So this is the PU leather. This is Kelly in 24 or 23. I think this is not our case. This is like a Kelly dupe only. So it has this strap there. I will share the further details of this, but compared to this one and the pink one, you can honestly say that this wore better. Now the pink of this one is a different shade of pink of this, so I can link maybe both of where I got these, and you will see that in the picture versus an actual it's very different. So the pink one, if you're gonna order a Kelly, this is in a gold hardware, but this is more like a light gold hardware or champagne gold hardware. So the pink of it is really really muted, it's more pale, versus the, like I said, Barbie pink bag doesn't really have a gold hardware. It's really gold, as you can see the difference between them. And of course, the war of this one is actually fairly the same, but as you can see, the edging. Although I think they mentioned that usually with a Kelly, it really wars like this, especially with a Cellier. But I do love Cellier bags, so it's kind of harder. But yeah, the war of the details here is really, really bad. But apart from that, this still a bag that I really like wearing. Even actually used this bag recently with what I wore right now, which is this one, because I did go out today twice. One with just a simple errand, and then one was heavy duty, so I had to use this because I had to pay the bills in the mall. So yeah, I use this one. This one is great, especially if I don't have my kid with me. But sometimes I also bring this with my kid with me, but I also have my husband with me because it's kind of hard to just have that and then hold this bag, because I still like wearing this as a top handle bag because it's easier, and I like putting it at the crook of my arm like that, and I can honestly say it's so easy to wear. This is perfect for spring and summer, and I would really appreciate you guys for checking it out, checking out the shop that I will link down below, because people already tried that shop as well, so I could really say that it's going to be the same quality as this. But like I said, this is PU leather. It's still not real leather, but I can, probably confirm to you guys it's not as hard to maintain compared to leather bags that you're gonna cry your eyes out by taking care of it a lot. That's why if you want to just try it out first, try out the PU leather first. But they're still kind of pricey. I just got a little lucky with the bags that I got because they were on sale when I got them. I didn't get them for full price, and I wouldn't, because it's, even if it's PU leather, I wouldn't really pay as much of that for the size of the bag. But now with real leather, I understand why it's more expensive, because it's real leather and the craftsmanship is amazing. And if I ever get a Birkin in real leather, I mean a Birkin dupe in real leather, I will compare it as well with probably this one, because it's much cleaner than the other bags that I did. But my most worn bag, or my most worn Birkin dupe, is actually not the pink one. It's actually a white one, and I love it to death. You can honestly say that is my favorite bag to wear every day. Okay, every day, because it you can just easily put everything in it. And when I tend to go out again on a different day, instead of changing it to a different bag, I tend to wear it again because all my stuff are there already. So yeah, but this one I remove the organizers, so it's just a black hole. So that's what you also get with most of the PU leather bags. They have a black hole instead of the color lining of the leather it is outside. So yeah, so that's the bag. I've been chattering a lot, but I really wanted to share most of it with you guys. I wanted to share the detail. I can say to check this out, check the link down below. It's not because I'm an affiliate to it. I don't know if I am, if it was already approved, but you check it out now. It's on sale, and I'm trying to post it as soon as possible. So I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe down below. Don't forget to hit the like or the bell button, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!